This problem gives us three polynomial functions and wants us to determine the end behavior if it goes up or down on the left and right, or rises and falls on the left and right. And for this, an easy way to help you remember what the end behaviors are for even, odd degree and leading coefficients that are positive or negative, if you can remember an easy x squared example, which is an even degree, that's the normal parabola or quadratic shape that you're used to seeing where both ends go up on the left and right. For an easy odd example to remember, that's x cubed, where the left goes down and the right side goes up. So if you can remember those, you can kind of compare for your polynomials. For example, for the first one, this is an odd degree and a negative leading coefficient. So if it was an odd degree with a positive, it would have the same behavior as this easy odd example down here, but it's going to reflect and this is going to flip. So instead of left going down, right going up,